All right, it's a 01 Toyota Echo. I've already been messing with it, but I just wanted to show you guys. I thought this was kind of interesting. Stick shift, 2001 Toyota Echo. So key on, engine off, and no powers. All right, push the clutch, nothing. All right, so I thought this was weird, but when I plugged in, everything comes on. And not only does everything come on, but it freaking runs. So already dealing with a ground issue, because basically this is bypassing the ground that usually feeds the cab here. So see, took it out, everything turns off. So I'm like, what's going on? I already checked all the fuses, everything, and we actually just had a bad ground right here. So watch this. Battery negative. When it touches positive, it lights. Doesn't light, it lights. That means ground to ground is lighting. That means this is not grounding the 12 volts. It's still getting right here, it's getting 12 volts. And right here it's still getting 6 volts. So it's just not fully pulled down. To test my theory, I went body to negative. It's beeping. Everything comes on, fires right up. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.